Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to create a messenger group on Facebook Messenger. So let's have a look. Before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, start our video. First of all, launch on your messenger. Then it's your messenger and there have no group. I want to create a group. Just open any on inbox, then tap on the top right corner I button, then scroll down and you get create group with MD Astroful. Just tap it, create group with person ID. Just tap this option. Okay, now you can add more friend from your Facebook Messenger. Just select more friends from here. After add more friend, then tap on OK option on the top. Just tap OK. Now your messenger group is already created and you can change your messenger group name. I will show you on the messenger. Let's back and see you on the top your messenger group here. And if you want to change this name, tap on the top right I button. Then again tap on the top right three dot and you get change name option, and you can add your messenger group name here. Just put your messenger group name. I give beautiful word my messenger group name, then save it. And look at this is your messenger group on the top, beautiful world. And in this way you can create a messenger group very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.